It is sunset here in Wajir. These marks the start of a new battle between residents and an all-time enemy, the mosquito. Mosquitoes are regarded as a threat to people and their livestock here. The destructive insect knows no boundaries. These people have to keep away these tiny parasites. Abdullahi Abdi, a resident of Habaswin town, is a father of 7 children who keeps a few goods for his family's milk need. Abdi and his family know only too well what mosquito can do. Fighting the parasite starts as soon as the sun sets in the evening. It's a routine activity they must perform daily.
When the mosquito bites the goats, they become weak and sick.
They'll cause a lot of allergy, a lot of disturbance, stress. That translates to low production because at night they don't sleep. So that during the day, instead of eating for production, they sleep.
The challenge posed by the threat of the mosquito's bite has pushed pastoralists like Abdullahi Abdi to innovation to keep away the enemy from the goods and the family. For them to get a good yield from their animals, they have to protect the animals from mosquito bite at night at all costs. And that's why villagers have adopted this new method of keeping away the mosquito, which is a common enemy in this part of the country. Nurdin returned to his home outside Wajir after a hard day's job. Adan sells from a nursery which does not yield much here in Wajir. His story is similar to many others. He immediately set a fire in his compound as way of keeping away the mosquito from the children and few goods.
Ni shida kubwa sana ambaye inatukabili hii mosquito, hata ni hatari, inamaliza watoto.
Although there is no recommended method of keeping away the mosquito parasites, the choice of method is subject to one's financial status and the community.
Kwa neti haizui, inakukula, inanyunyiza damu yako kutoka, inaingiza mdomo kwenye neti na inanyunyiza damu yako, kwa sababu mtu akilala unajua usiku anageuka huko. Uwezi ukatulia mahali moja, ukilalia hivi kwa neti inakukula.
The family of Mahmoud Abdi is relatively well off by Wajir standard. Mahmoud has invested a lot to keep the parasite at bay. He brought body lotions and sprays. Like many others in his neighborhood, Mahmoud's children have also to consider the mosquito. They stay in the backyard of his house in the evening to allow the house to cool from the day's heat.
I sprayed before the sunset to flush it out all the mosquitoes in the room and lock out all the windows and the doors.
According to the Department of Health data, over 4,473 cases of malaria were diagnosed in 2015. Among them, 1,584 are children under 5 years. During the year 2015, there were no rains. Now, with the recent rains, the number of malaria infections could double.
They are the factors for Rift Valley fever. Rift Valley fever is a disease which affects livestock. It is also a zoonotic disease, that is to say, it affects even human beings.
The floods provide ample breeding space to the mosquito, while the grass provides the parasite cover during the day. Nurdin, Elmoge, NTV, Wajir County.